Awesome. Did we have any mail?
No, but her neighbor gave this to me.
Oh, I wonder if it's from Phil. Oh no, it's an invitation to Cassidy's birthday party. My kids will be very excited, Awesome. Thank you, that was great.
Well, I'm an amazingly capable humanoid robot. How can I help you?
Well, actually, my parents are coming over later because my wife and I... Oh my goodness, I completely forgot. I was supposed to call my wife as soon as you got here. I was just having so much fun with the neighbors. You know what? We should probably give her a call right now. Come on, we got her on speed dial.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Hey, look what just arrived.
ASIMO.
Yeah? Can I keep it?
Sure.
Hello.
Hi, ASIMO. I'm leaving work early today, and I'll pick up the kids.
Okay.
They are so excited.
I know.
So I'll see you in a while. Oh, and honey, don't forget we're going out tonight. So remind your parents that they're babysitting and order pizza.
Oh, yeah?
Thanks. See you. Bye, honey.
Bye.
Bye, ASIMO.
Goodbye.
She's so cute. Well, Awesome, welcome to the family.
Thank you.
I just need to remember to order that pizza. What do you think? Sausage or pepperoni? What am I talking about? Now, developing the world's most advanced humanoid robot didn't happen overnight. It took teams of Honda experts over 20 years to create this amazing piece of technology. And we're talking about experts in the fields of physics, anatomy, mathematics, computer sciences, chemistry, mechanical, and electrical engineering. And they thought of everything. Check this out. Awesome. Come this way, please. Now, if I'm sitting down or in a wheelchair like my wife, Awesimo's camera eyes are at about the same level as my eyes. And this makes communication very simple. In fact, if you take a look at the screen, you can see Awesimo looking at me. Hello, Awesimo.
Hello, Kevin.
Oh, Awesimo, please turn out to all of our new friends. And everyone wave and say, hello, Awesimo.
Hello, everybody.
There you are. Now, you might be wondering why Awesimo isn't on wheels or treads or something like that. Well, Awesimo was designed to help people and to be a helper in our world, a world where we need to reach for things and pick things up, or navigate along floors and sidewalks, even just to climb a set of stairs. What better design than that of a humanoid robot, one that has 2 arms and 2 legs. And Awesimo, how tall are you?
I'm 4 feet and 3 inches tall.
Which is the perfect height for opening and closing doors, or turning lights on and off, even working at table surfaces, or just moving things around the inside of the house. And Awesimo, how much do you weigh?
I weigh 119 pounds.
And I wonder what all that would be in metric.
I'm 130 centimeters tall and weigh 54 kilograms.
All right. And how fast can you walk?
I can walk about 2 miles per hour.
And in metric, that would be about...
That would be about 3 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, that's great, Awesimo.
Thank you, Kevin.
Now, in order for a robot to operate in our world, it really does need the ability to walk. And walking can be very complicated. Follow me on this. You see, with each step that I take, my brain must send countless signals at lightning-fast speed throughout my nervous system. Now, these signals travel to the muscles, tendons, and ligaments in my legs, hips, arms, and shoulders, which all have to move in sync so that I can keep my balance. But the really amazing thing is that Awesimo does something very similar to this. It uses motor sensors and computers to keep its balance and walk like a human. Now, Awesimo can also sidestep in a straight line or on a curve. And this makes navigating through a house with all of its constantly changing obstacles very simple. And believe me, Awesimo, that move's going to come in very handy with my kids and all of their constantly changing obstacles. But what's even more impressive, not only can Awesimo walk forward, but Awesimo can also walk backward as well, constantly adjusting its center of gravity with each step, just like us. And Awesimo's balance is so good. Let's just show them. Awesimo! please balance on one foot, like this. Yeah. Now ASIMO makes it look easy. How about the other foot? All right. But ASIMO must constantly analyze the data from all of its sensors and 34 separate servo motors. And, well, ASIMO, I think it's true. There's probably nothing else you can do. Nothing you can't do. Can you? Can you?
But I can play soccer.
That's right, you can. And you know what? I think Molly left her soccer ball here. So why don't we, show everyone. Let's see. Set that there. And, hold on just a moment. We get some gold posts so we can make it official. All right, ASIMO. Bend it like Beckham. And that's a goal! Very nice, ASIMO. Now, it looks simple, but kicking the soccer ball actually requires some technically advanced balance, stability, and coordination. But you know, ASIMO, with your ability to understand local commands and navigate through your environment, it's easy to see how helpful you can be around the house. Oh, telephone. That's okay, ASIMO. Again. Hey!
Hey, is ASIMO there?
Oh, yeah, right here.
Hello.
That is so cool!
I know.
ASIMO, we'll be home in like 5 minutes. ASIMO, I told everyone at school they can come over and meet you.
Wait, what?
I invite everyone in the neighborhood.
Hold on.
They've all seen your video. Yeah, ASIMO, you're a star.
Oh, boy.
Bye, ASIMO.
Okay, bye, kids.
I know.
How about bye, Dad?
Bye, Dad. Love you. You're so cool.
Never works. Well, ASIMO, looks like you're pretty popular with my kids. Oh, come on. You know what I'm talking about. Actually, what my kids are talking about is ASIMO's website, where you can go online and see the different videos of all the various things ASIMO is able to accomplish. In fact, ASIMO can be helpful in many different ways. ASIMO, could you use your wireless networking capability to go online and look for tonight's weather forecast?
Yes, I will go online.
Great. My wife and I are going out for an anniversary tonight, so I thought I'd
Partly
share.
cloudy, with a high in the mid-60s.
Perfect. We can have dinner on the patio. Now, even though ASIMO's current role is a helper in the home today, someday ASIMO might be able to work in dangerous situations, like fighting fires, or working on healthy environments, cleaning up toxic spills, and there's even the possibility.
But I'm not only designed to help, I can also have fun.
I think I know what you're talking about. Everyone, would you like to see ASIMO dance? Yeah. All right. How about this, ASIMO? You lead. I'll try to follow. Go ahead and kick it. Hello.
Oh, hi dear.
Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
Trying to find rhythm.
Tell him we'll be over in a while.
Oh, your father says to tell you we'll be over in a while to watch the kids.
Okay.
Yes, about the robot.
Oh, did that cute little robot arrive?
Yes, Mom. ASIMO's right here.
Oh, good. Well, we'll see you soon.
Make sure our room is ready.
Make sure our room is ready.
Dad, I can hear you. We can all hear you. So.
Okay, girl.
Good.
Okay, honey. Bye.
Bye.
How do I turn this thing off, girl?
Use the remote. There's a button on the right. My parents and technology don't always mesh well. There you go. I'll let you know. This is the first time in a long time my parents have actually volunteered to watch the kids. I wonder why. Oh, well, there's that. Hey, excuse me a moment. I need to go check. Hang on a second. ASIMO? Could you do me a favor?
Yes, Kevin.
Could you go upstairs and look into the room on the right to see if it's ready for my parents?
Of course.
Now, what you're about to see is one of ASIMO's most challenging maneuvers, made possible by combining all of its onboard technology. The ability to climb a set of stairs with balance and precision is a culmination of over 2 decades of research and development. First, ASIMO stops momentarily at the foot of the stairs and adjusts its position by reading a mark on the floor using a sensor in its torso. Oh, are you all ready, ASIMO?
I am ready.
Okay, then. go for it. Now at each step, ASIMO must adapt and constantly counterbalance, using all of his computing power to remain upright all along the way. Way to go, ASIMO! Now that is truly a historic step forward in human technological progress. Okay, ASIMO, go ahead and take a look into the room and see if it's ready for my mom and dad, please. And, oh, well, that looks perfect. Thank you, ASIMO.
You're welcome.
Now, if you thought going up the stairs was difficult, it takes even more balance and coordination to make it back down. Whenever you're ready, ASIMO. Now, once again, ASIMO will find its position by reading a mark on the floor using the sensor in its torso. And when it's ready, it will descend the stairs, constantly adjusting with each step. All the way down. That was amazing. Great job, ASIMO. Well, I don't think there's anything that can top that, so if you'd like to learn more about
Excuse me.
Oh. Yes?
I can even run.
That's right, you can. Then we have the room. Okay, well, you get ready. I'm going to tell them. Folks, you're in for a real treat. This is something that I've heard about, but have never seen in person. You see, ASIMO can actually run. And it looks like ASIMO's getting warmed up, which is something we all need to do before any physical activity. I mean, no one wants to get a cramp in a servo motor. Now, in order for ASIMO to run, both of its feet must leave the ground at the same time, if only for a moment. And ASIMO is the only life-sized humanoid robot in the world that can accomplish this, moving at speeds of nearly 4 miles per hour, or in metric, 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, ASIMO, you just let me know when you're all warmed up and ready.
I am ready.
Alrighty then. On your mark, get set, go! I want to show this to you in slow motion. Now this is truly an amazing accomplishment. ASIMO is airborne, meaning both of its feet leave the ground for about 0.08 seconds, running very similar to that of a human. Very impressive, ASIMO.
Thank you, Kevin.
Now if you'd like to learn more about ASIMO, please visit the website at asimo.honda.com. As for you, I think it's time to get you ready to meet the rest of the family. So
Excuse me.
Oh, yes?
Please do not forget to order the pizza.
Pizza for... That's right. Thank you, ASIMO.
You're welcome.
You know what, ASIMO? I think this is going to be the beginning of a beautiful friendship. All right. Yeah, I'm glad you're excited. Oh, kids are home. I hope you're ready to meet them. But before we go, let's say goodbye to all of our new friends.
Goodbye, everybody.
And everyone, let's hear one more time for ASIMO.